The best rice cooker under $50 by Amazon, the Aroma Housewares 6-cup. One-touch rice cooker is a compact and efficient addition to any kitchen, offering a convenient solution for preparing perfectly cooked rice. With a capacity of 1.5 quarts. This rice cooker is suitable for small households or individuals looking to prepare a moderate amount of rice without the hassle of monitoring stovetop cooking. The product's dimensions of 8.13 D into 8.9 W into 8 H make it a space-saving appliance that can easily fit into various kitchen settings. The corded electric power source ensures consistent and reliable performance, while the hand wash care instructions offer ease of maintenance. The one-touch operation simplifies the cooking process, allowing users to achieve fluffy and delicious rice with minimal effort. Whether it's white rice, brown rice, or even quinoa, this rice cooker delivers consistent results, making it a versatile addition to any